Hi, this is Marco Esquivel, and this is my CSE 355 bonus project. So the project I decided to do was a NFA representation, and I built it using Swift and Xcode as an iOS application. So I'm just going to go ahead and run the application right now just to show a little demonstration. And so the build succeeded and should open up on an iPhone 11 simulator, which you can see right here. It's basically an arcade game simulation. So here's this coins where you can enter credits into this arcade system and return credits. And then here's the NFA representation right here. You can see as credits are added, it has transitions to new states, and then at any state, if you want to return the credits, it'll transition back to the start state, and then the final state will just have an epsilon transition back to the start state once the game has been played. So as you can see, as I click on this, it'll transition forward, and then you can also see right here that the credits will increase. So credits 1 of 4, 2 of 4, 3 of 4. And then just as an example, I'm going to show you if I click return credits, it'll go back to the start state. And you can do that at any point or of any inside any state. That'll always return the credits. And then if you get to the final states, it'll say here, right now I have this running on a 5-second timer, so it's just saying playing, and those buttons are not clickable during that, and then it'll just epsilon transition back to the beginning state, and this is the accept state. And then, so another thing I just wanted to show you here, I'll stop this build right now. Just as something a little neat addition to this, I actually created a game on a second view controller. So I'll just uncomment this line, which basically performs a segue into a new view. And then that second view is set up with all this code right here. And this is basically just like an actual arcade game, just to give it a little bit more of a like an arcade sort of feel to it. So here, as you can see, if I still go into the final state, then at this point, this game comes up where basically you have this monkey and you try to collect all the bananas on the screen. And then if you do, just something that'll come up that'll say winner. And for this, I have it set on a 20-second timer. So you basically have 20 seconds to get all of the bananas. And then winner will pop up. And then after 20 seconds, it'll actually segue back to this screen where it'll be back on the start state. So yeah, this is my project. It's basically just a simulation or representation of an NFA. Thank you.